Third time's got to be a charm, right? Probably not. No. Hey everybody, welcome. Did a couple run videos of the Orange Crush this weekend. Didn't run so great. Did a prop change. Not happy with it. Is what it is. A couple of things I need to change, but I discovered something that is going to change the whole aspect of all of the 3D printed Orange Crush. And I need to figure out how to overcome this because this seems to be an issue. So let me bring you guys in. Orange Crush. 36 model. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. I don't. Let us see here. Can we get real close? No, hell no, we can't. Alright. Hopefully this focuses. You look right here. We have a split in the hole. Right here's another one. So the hole is coming apart. So, I think what we're going to do is this hole is going to go bye-bye. So, I don't know what to do with it. It's been a good hole. I like the way it runs. It's a little heavy because it's 3D printed, I think. I don't know. Do an update and see what we got. I already have another hole printed, so that might fall back. God, I really wanted to run this boat this year. That might fall back on next fall. I got to finish the cracker up, so we'll see what happens here. I'll post those run videos of the Orange Crush, and like I said, they're raw, so let me know what you guys think. Thanks, have a good night.
Oh shit, okay.
Look at him, he's so stoked. Alright, Lauren, go do your thing.
It keeps cutting out.
He's got something on the prop. Jonas, get back. It ain't got no gas in it.
Ain't got no gas in it.
Look, Uncle Matt's a unicorn.
I am a unicorn. Battery's dead. It does. Something, it's not tuned right though. I have way too big of a prop on it. Ha 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 ha. Keeps cutting out. 70.
Well, let's see. I know it was no great speed run, but probably a crappy video too. No water in the boat. Ah, it didn't register. Must have done something wrong. Well, I would say probably 35. It wasn't screaming. Motor seems alright. ESC seems alright. Battery's a little warm. I think I need a different KV size motor.